Okay guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. So we all know and love Asian food, and we all love egg drop soup, and that is what we are going to be making today here on the Southern Rustic. So let's just jump right on into the ingredients and let's get started. Okay guys, for this recipe you are going to need 4 cups of chicken broth. You're going to need some type of cooking wine. You can use rice cooking wine, you can use mirin, you can use Shaoxing wine. Either one of those will do. If you cannot find those, regular white wine will do. Just about a tablespoon of this. You're going to need 4 eggs, green onion. I've got about 2 green onions chopped up here. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of water. Just mix that together and set that aside. You're going to need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and pepper. Also, you're going to need fried wontons. You can just buy the egg roll wrappers at your local grocery store and then just chop them up and just fry them in a little bit of oil, or you can just pick some up at your local Asian market. Okay guys, in a pot over medium heat, add in your chicken broth, and you're going to bring this to a simmer. Now that you've got this to a simmer, you're just going to add in your seasoning, about 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and your seasoning, the salt, sugar, and pepper. Give that a stir. Okay, now you're just going to stir up your cornstarch because it settles, and just pour this in. You're going to let this cook just a couple of minutes until it thickens up rather nicely. Okay, when you're making this, you want it to be slightly thicker than water, but not quite as thick as a gravy. So that is exactly what you're looking for. Now, when you add your eggs, you don't want it to be boiling. You just want it to be barely simmering. You're going to cut off the heat, and you're going to add in your beaten eggs in a slow stream in one direction. Now you're just going to let this sit for about 1 minute. Now you're just going to give it a slight stir. This will help break up the eggs into smaller ribbons. But you don't want to be too rough because you don't want them to be too small. Now at this point you can go ahead and taste and adjust your seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Give that a stir. Now you're going to bring your temperature back up. This is just going to cook the egg. After about a minute of cooking time, you're going to take it off the heat, and then you're ready to plate. Alright.
Oh,
Get you some crunchies.
oh, I want this piece right here. Nice egg drop soupy.
Is it good?
Really fat. It's okay.
Good?
Nice.
Well guys, as you've seen, my daughter is a ham and she loves Asian food. Her favorite is egg drop soup and she gets it every time we go to an Asian restaurant. So as you can tell, it is a hit in our house. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that little red subscribe button down below and be part of the family here at Southern Rustic. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.